Hi everyone, we're going to go over a goblet squat today. So you're going to hold the dumbbell in the goblet position, press it against your sternum so that it's adding weight to your trunk. Keep your feet hip width apart or a little bit wider. Think about creating full tension in the body in the lowering phase of the exercise. You want to connect your deep core, your transverse abdominis, with your glutes, with your quads, with your hamstrings, and they all contract as you exhale on the way up. Think about even weight distribution between both feet. Keep those heels driving down, but you want weight in the whole foot. And your hips should come back just a little bit. Keep your core strong, spine straight, crown of the head in a straight line from the tailbone. Start with whatever range your body will give you and go up from there.